Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. Dear students, I was discussing with you about the grammar concept direct to indirect speech in the last class. And my dear students, I have already completed the definitions of the direct and indirect speeches and the procedure of the direct to indirect speeches, and even I completed the rule first to change the direct speeches into indirect speeches in the last class. Today, in this class, I am going to continue the concept direct to indirect speech with a lot of examples which are settled in the rule 2. Dear students, basically, even I have also completed the rule 2 in the last class, but I did not discuss the examples for the rule 2. But today, in this class, I am going to discuss with you, I am going to explain the examples of rule 2. Okay, one by one right now. Okay, see, I just would like to repeat the rule 2 to change the direct speeches into indirect speeches in front of you once again. Okay, welcome back to the online classes once again. Okay, my dear students, I am going to repeat the rule 2 right now. Rule 2. If the reporting verb of DS means direct speech. Here, if the reporting verb of DS is in past tense, then the reported speech can be changed in indirect speech. My dear students, this is the rule 2 which I completed in the last class also, but I just would like to repeat again for the clarification of these examples. Okay, see, look at the board. If the reporting verb of the direct speech, if the reporting verb of direct speech is in past tense, then the reported speech can be changed in indirect speech. My dear students, I have mentioned a beautiful diagram here. Okay, see, look at the diagram. This is what direct speech, and I have already divided the direct speech into two parts. One is reporting verb and another one is reported speech. Okay, the original words of the speaker are counted as a reported speech, and the speaker's saying that is counted as reporting verb. Okay, dear student, this is what direct speech. In this direct speech, we are going to see the first part, that is what RV, and if the RV means reporting verb. If the reporting verb of DS is in past tense, then the reported speech can be changed in indirect speech. Okay, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷ ನುಡಿಯ ಆರ್ವಿ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ DS ನ RS ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳು ಆಗುತ್ತವೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ರೂಲ್ 1 ಏನು ಹೇಳಿತ್ತು? ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ 1 ಟೆಲ್? The rule 1 is about present or future of the RV of DS. Okay, see, but this is not the present or future here. This is what about the past. See, if the reporting verb of direct speech is in past tense, then the RS of its can be changed in indirect speech. Okay, see, and how we are going to change, and what are the things that will be transformed. Okay, what are the things we are going to change when we see the reporting verb is in past of direct speech. Okay, see, look at the board, my dear students. ಈ DS ನ RV ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If it is a simple present, then it can be shifted into simple past. If it is present continuous, then it can be shifted into past continuous. If it is present perfect, then it should be shifted into past perfect. If it is present perfect continuous, then it should be shifted into past perfect continuous. If it is a simple past, then it should be shifted into past perfect. Okay, see, if it is past continuous, then it should be shifted into past perfect continuous. If it is past perfect, then it can't be shifted into. That means there we can see no changes. If it is past perfect continuous, again we are going to see no changes. Okay, my dear students. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಡಿ ಎಸ್ ನ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂಥ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ವರ್ಗಾಯಿಸಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ ವರ್ಗಾಯಿಸಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಗಾಯಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಸಾ which are the statements are here transferred into what? Okay, see my dear students, for these ideas I am going to give you the examples right now. Okay, see my dear students, welcome back once again. See, look at the board. Here is a direct speech. Here is a direct speech and Raju said. My dear students, the first part is counted as reporting verb. Reporting verb ಎದರಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ said. Said means what? Past. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ನಾನು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್. ಎರಡನೇ ರೂಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದೇ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ, ಈ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಆರ್ ವಿ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವುದರ ಆರ್ ವಿ? ಡಿ ಎಸ್ ನ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚು. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ರಾಜು ಸೇಡ್ ಐ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಸಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ರಾಜು ಸೇಡ್ ದಟ್. ಐ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಹಿಯರ್? ಐ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರಾಜು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಹೀಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಮಿನೇಟಿವ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಜುನ ನಾನು ಹಿ ಆಗಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಹಿ ಅಂಡ್ sang. Here we are going to see the change of the time of the tense. We are going to see the changing of the time of the tense. It is in simple present. But it is shifted into simple past. Why? Because the first option does say that if it is a simple present, it should be shifted into simple past. It is a simple present, it should be, and it is shifted into simple past. Raju said, I sing a song. Raju said that he sang a song. Okay, what are the changes here? Sing, it is shifted into sang. Okay, look at the second example. Rekha said, I am working in a company. Rekha said, I am working in a company. And my dear students, do you know what kind of tense it is? What kind of tense it is? Do you know? It is present continuous tense. The only RS is made in present continuous, but it is already past. Rekha said, I am working in a company. Then the changes. Rekha said that I means who here? Rekha. Okay, and it is shifted as a she. Okay, see, I ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಮಿನೇಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾರು? ರೇಖಾ. ರೇಖಾನ ನಾನು ಶಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ. ರೇಖಾ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ she was working in a company. This is what present continuous is shifted into past continuous. Why? Because of the second option. When we see are we past, when we see the past tense of are we of a ds. Okay, see my dear students, once again look at the board. The third example, ds means direct speech. Lakshmana said I have eaten all fruits. Once again, Lakshmana said I have eaten all fruits. And this rs is made in present perfect. And what are the changes we are going to see? Lakshmana said that I means who here? Lakshmana, it is shifted into he. Okay, Lakshmana said that, and that of course I have already discussed with you, I have already clarified with you. Why did I take the that conjunction? It is the third rule, but we are still discussing the second rule. Okay, and in the next class I definitely discuss with you about that conjunction. Okay, see, Lakshmana said that I means Lakshmana he, then have, had, it is shifted into had because of C option, present perfect. If it is present perfect, then it should be shifted into past perfect. Have ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ had, present perfect ಇಂದ past perfect ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I have eaten all fruits. Lakshmana said that he had eaten all fruits. Okay, see, and come to the next statement. Geeta said my sister has been studying. Geeta said my sister has been studying. Okay, my dear students, the rs of this statement is completely made in present perfect continuous. Okay, my sister has been studying, present perfect continuous, and it should be shifted into what? Look at the example. Geeta said that my sister, whose sister? Geeta's sister. My sister, who is the speaker? Whose sister? Geeta's sister, her sister. Okay, Geeta said that her sister has been, illide, had been. Okay, dear students, observe it carefully. My sister has been studying. Geeta said that her sister had been. The changes has shifted into had. Her sister had been studying so and so. Okay, look at the example. The next example, direct speech. Mohan said, yes, of course, the present perfect continuous is shifted into past perfect continuous because of D option. Okay, see, next example. Mohan said my father purchased a new car. Whose father purchased a new car? Mohan's father. And who is the speaker? Mohan said my father purchased a new car. The statement, the rs is made in simple past. Okay, Mohan said my father purchased a new car. Mohan said that my father. Whose father? Mohan's father. Who is the speaker? Mohan. And whose father? Mohan's father. He is a father. Mohan said that he is a father. Here just purchased ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ had purchased ಅಂತಿದೆ because see the column, see the tense, see the time of the tense here. Listen, Mohan said my father purchased a new car. Mohan said that his father had purchased a new car. Purchased, it is shifted into had purchased because of E option. If it is a simple past, then it should be shifted into past perfect. Okay, see, look at the next example, last example. Madhu said I was dancing. Madhu said I was dancing. Yes, the statement of rs is made in past continuous. Okay, Madhu said I was dancing. Madhu said that I means Madhu, then it is shifted into she. Okay, I means she. Okay, Madhu said that look at the example. She had been dancing. I was dancing. She had been dancing. Madhu said, I was dancing. Who was dancing? Madhu. Who was dancer here? Madhu. And Madhu was dancing. And it is shifted. Madhu said, I was dancing. Madhu said that she had been dancing. Was. It shifted into had been. The change of the time of the tense. See, my dear students, because of past, if it is past continuous, then it should be shifted into past perfect continuous. Okay, see, I have, yes, my dear students, I discussed these examples till the F option. Okay, see, simple present shifted into simple past, present continuous shifted into past continuous, present perfect shifted into past perfect, present perfect continuous shifted into past perfect continuous, simple past shifted into past perfect, past continuous shifted into past perfect continuous. Okay, my dear students, and the remaining two options I shall discuss in the next class. Okay, yes, I hope you understand that, my dear students. The changes is here: sing, sang, am, was. Sing, simple present; sang, simple past. Am, present continuous; was, past continuous. Have, present perfect; had, past perfect. Has been, present perfect continuous; had been, past perfect continuous. Purchased, simple past; had purchased, past perfect. Was dancing, past continuous; had been dancing, past perfect continuous. These are the changes just we saw. Okay, just on the base of the rule 2. Okay, my dear students, I again hope that you understand it. Okay, see, the remaining two options I am going to discuss in the next class. Okay, keep watching my videos. We shall stop here, continue on next class. Until there, take care, bye bye.